Hola. So today I am going to complete the guava kombucha, and I'm going to strain the fruit from out of the guava, from out of the liquid, and then I'm going to bottle it up. So let's get started. All right, so the next thing I am going to do, this is the kombucha. It's been sitting here for a very long time. So I put this together before Thanksgiving, so like the 23rd. So it's on like a Wednesday or a Tuesday before that Thursday of Thanksgiving. So that's how long it's been here. Today is like the 12th or 13th. So it's like Thursday. And that's how long it's been sitting here. So this is also the jar that exploded. It exploded all over the wall, all the way to the ceiling, across to the other side of the kitchen. And I was able to salvage some of it, and it's been sitting there ever since. So I'm going to open it up. And I have a pot here with a strainer on it to strain out the fruits. So let's get into it. I'm going to take this and it'll come up a little bit. Ugh. Okay, so first of all, this is too much. I need a little bit of space, because this gets so fizzy and I need some room for it to run. I don't know why it gets so fizzy, but it gets so fizzy. That's one. all of these, and then looking outside the window. I'm going to take all these, let them ferment a little bit more so I can get me a little bit of fizzies and some bubbles. And then after that, I'm just going to place them inside the refrigerator and let them chill and be ready to drink when I'm ready to drink. And the only thing is that I'll send up a follow-up video of what it looks like when I pop them open. The problem that I have with these is that when I tell you it gets so fizzy that I almost lose half the bottle. That's how fizzy it gets. And it just pops up. So, yeah, I've made this so many times and I don't know how to make it less fizzy. But I love the fizz. But I don't know how to make it less fizzy where I don't lose a lot of my liquid. So every time I just put more and more room, and we'll see what happened this time with this much headspace I put in there. All right, guys, and that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. That's all, folks.